Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to another session where we focus on improving our health and well-being. Today, I'm going to help you unlock the secrets to better hip mobility and flexibility. This routine is designed to not only enhance your range of motion, but also to prevent pain and discomfort. Trust me, your hips will thank you. A little effort goes a long way in keeping those joints happy and healthy. Let's dive right in. We have a lot to cover, and I promise it will be worth your time. First off, let's talk about why hip mobility is so important. It's not just about flexibility, it's about your overall well-being. Your hips play a crucial role in your overall balance and posture. They are the foundation for many movements from walking to lifting. If you've got tight hips, you're likely putting extra strain on your lower back. This can lead to chronic pain and even injury over time, and nobody wants that, right? We all want to move freely and without pain. Keeping your hips flexible can help prevent back pain, especially if you're sitting at a desk all day. Even a few minutes of stretching can make a big difference. All right, now, let's get into some essential hip stretches. These are simple yet effective exercises you can do anywhere. One of my favorites is the hip flexor stretch. It targets the muscles that often get tight from prolonged sitting. Start by kneeling on one knee and then push your hips forward. Feel that stretch. It should be gentle but noticeable. Hold it for about 30 seconds on each side. This helps to lengthen the hip flexors and improve mobility. Next, try the seated figure, 4 pose. This one is excellent for targeting the outer hips and glutes. Sit on the floor. Cross one ankle over the opposite knee and gently press down on the raised knee. You should feel a deep stretch in your hip. This one's great for opening up those hips. It's a fantastic way to release tension and improve flexibility. Remember, proper form is key. Always ensure you're doing the stretches correctly to avoid injury. Modify these stretches if you need to, depending on your flexibility level. It's important to listen to your body and not push too hard. Now let's talk nutrition. Did you know certain foods can help reduce hip inflammation? That's right, what you eat can have a big impact on your joint health. Fatty fish like salmon, leafy greens, and turmeric are your best friends here. These foods are rich in nutrients that support joint health. These foods are packed with anti-inflammatory properties that can help keep your joints healthy. Incorporating them into your diet can make a significant difference. So next time you're planning your meals, think about adding some of these superfoods to your diet. They're not only delicious, but also beneficial for your hips. Speaking of nutrition, let's not forget about omega-3. These fatty acids are crucial for reducing inflammation and supporting joint health. These supplements are fantastic for joint health. They can help reduce pain and stiffness, making it easier to stay active. Omega-3 can help reduce pain and stiffness, which is a game changer if you're dealing with hip issues. They're a simple addition to your routine with big benefits. You can find omega-3 in fish oil supplements or even in flax seeds and chia seeds. These plant-based sources are great alternatives. Make sure to include these in your daily routine for maximum benefits. Consistency is key when it comes to nutrition and exercise. All right, to wrap things up, I want to encourage you to make hip mobility exercises a daily habit. Consistency is key. Just a few minutes each day can lead to significant improvements. By improving your hip flexibility and nutrition, you'll enhance your stability and reduce that pesky back pain. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more tips to keep you in top shape. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Stay active, stay healthy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Keep moving and take care of those hips.